In today's video, I'm going to teach you favorite versus important in Gmail. If you've ever wondered why some messages show a star and others get a yellow important marker, this walkthrough will clear it up and help you use both intentionally. The simplest way to think about it is control and purpose. The star, also called favorite, is your manual flag. You decide what matters to you and when to mark it. The important marker, that little yellow tag, is Gmail's prediction engine at work, highlighting messages it believes are critical based on your habits. Let's start with the star. When you click the star icon on a message, you're telling yourself, hold on to this. It's a personal signal. Great for tasks you need to follow up on, receipts you'll reference later, or any email you want to keep in your line of sight. Because it's entirely user-controlled, nothing gets starred unless you choose it. Starring doesn't change how Gmail ranks or learns. It just creates a visible reminder so you can quickly spot or find that message later. Think of it as a to-do or bookmark that you manage entirely. Now, the important marker works differently. Gmail applies that yellow tag automatically at first, using patterns it learns from your behavior. It looks at who you tend to reply to, which messages you open quickly, and the kinds of emails you search for, among other signals. The goal is to surface messages that are likely to be crucial so they don't get lost in a busy inbox. This is predictive and dynamic, and it updates as your habits change. You also have a say in what Gmail considers important. If the system tags something as important and you disagree, click the yellow marker to remove it. If Gmail misses a message you consider important, turn the marker on. Each time you correct it, you're training the algorithm to get closer to your preferences, improving what it highlights over time. Here's how to decide which to use. Reach for the star when you want a personal reminder or a short-term flag you control. Use or adjust the important marker when you want Gmail to help prioritize the flow of incoming mail automatically. These aren't mutually exclusive. A message can be both starred and important, meaning it's significant in general and also on your personal task list. The key takeaway is intentionality. The star is your manual, purpose-driven bookmark. The important marker is Gmail's learned prediction that you can refine. With that mindset, your inbox becomes easier to scan and the right messages stand out when you need them.